Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can maintain your lace frontals throughout the night, how you can tie it up properly, and also your routine of what you will be doing once you wake up the next day and want to get your hair looking right. So right here I'm just going to split my hair into two sections. I also just want to brush through it so there's no kinks and anything like that. You want to make sure that you brush through your hair thoroughly. Don't just tie it up and put it in a bun or nothing like that, because you don't want your hair to tangle. Yep. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just twist both sides up into just two little twisties. That's it, because I'm going to be pinning this hair up with a clip. Now you can use any clip that you want to, but the clips that I use are the big long clips that you can find at your local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to clip it in the back of my head, and I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. Okay, so now that I have both sides took away, I'm going to take my elastic band and I'm going to put it over the front of my lace front. Now this part is very, very, very important, you guys. If you don't want your lace to be lifting throughout the night and you want your lace to last as long as it possibly can, you want to make sure that you tie an elastic band around the perimeter of your hair before you move on to the next step. Now I just took this elastic band because I had a full length elastic band. I just cut it in half so that I was able to put some around my perimeter. But if you already have a elastic band that literally comes with the sticky stuff on it, so that it'll be so much more easier, because it took me forever to put that on. But yeah, so this is my bonnet. This is a long bonnet that I got from my homegirl, and literally what you will see me doing is just putting on the bonnet. That's it. Right, you guys, so that is it. That's basically how I go to sleep at night, and what I do before I go to bed, and I will show you guys what it will be like once I take it off. If you have not already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss the next time that I upload. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Share with a friend, come on over so we can join this community, and let me know down in the comment section down below what video ideas you guys would like to see next. But until next time, you guys.